Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook and enabling editing. This avoids permission prompts. Next, press Ctrl plus F to open the Find dialog and immediately click Options to reveal advanced controls. Make sure to change the Within field to Workbook so Excel searches every sheet rather than only the active one. Also set Look into Formulas if you want names inside formulas. Once done, type a partial sheet name or exact string in to find what to begin the search. Now you refine the search using wildcards and other tools. Wildcards let you match partial names. Use asterisk for any sequence end. For one character. If the sheet name appears in Define Names, open Name Manager to inspect and filter names by text. For complex patterns or many files, consider a short VBA macro that loops through worksheets and checks name or code name, or use Power Query to list sheet names from multiple workbooks. These methods handle bulk or programmatic checks efficiently. Finish by opening any sheet returned by your search and confirming the exact sheet name and related references. You want to ensure formulas point to the correct sheet. If nothing appears, make sure hidden sheets aren't the culprit. Unhide sheets from the format or VBA. Also check external workbook links that might carry names. A fast troubleshooting move. Open the VBA immediate window and run a one-line loop to print worksheets names. That quickly reveals ghost or hidden names you overlooked.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.